Hello everyone. Today I am going to be unboxing my 1956 crane catalog. And say hi to my cat here. I will not be turning this box over because there's a sticker on it that is personal information that I do not want revealed on the internet. But anyway, here we go. If I can manage to do this with one hand. Okay. I'm just gonna pause for a second and start this. Alright, here we go. I've gotten the box open. Looks like we've just got a couple bits of newspaper here. Alright, I don't think this is anything I need, so I'm just going to put it over the side here. So, here it is. I will have more videos of the contents of this catalog coming out soon. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it a lot.